Okay, so here we have my latest addition. This came as a set on this board. It has 4 feet on the bottom. Has pretty much period correct, like rounded flat heads. Perhaps this was a full kit, combo buy, or perhaps someone went the extra mile to put these 2 items on the board and paint it correctly red. This is a No.32, which is an engine I've been wanting, with a No.50 pump, which I have one, but it doesn't pump water, and this one pumps water wonderfully. So 2 birds, 1 stone, and it's on the board. Additionally, this little guy is also in the book of Empire. It's one of Carl's items in his collection that I got off of eBay. All right. What's interesting about this little guy, this No.32, its little knob for adjusting the throttle is black bakelite. It's not red. I do have the whistle. That was very loud, I'm sure. Speed her up. Very good action. This engine to me seems like it's a transitional engine from pre-war to post-war Empire, to where it has the steam wheel and action that's more pre-war, but yet the tank and the base is not heavy, it's just pressed, which basically became the engines after the war. So I kind of like this engine. Neat little features, and it being kind of like a transitional engine, in my opinion. Very great little engine. I basically unboxed it. The base was shifted for whatever reason a little bit, and I just unscrewed it, put it back down, put it back on the board, oiled it a little bit. I haven't tried to polish it or anything. I did test the heater blanket for connecting power to make sure that it wasn't shorted and that all came proper. You can see we do have some leakage at the site. A little closer. Not too bad. All right. Hope you enjoyed this little video of my little combo set here. Thanks.